Hi, this is the INFINIX Hot 30i and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first open this settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here you will see DTS sound on the start mode and haptic vibration settings. Just here in DTS sound you could switch the mode from smart to music, video or games, and to activate and turn off the equalizer with the help of the switcher. Let's go back. Here we got it on the start mode. We could turn it on or turn it off. We could allow some calls, messages or notifications from any people's apps, alarms, and also we could set the shadow, the start, the end time, and we could switch the duration for quick settings here and to display options for hiding notifications. Let's go back. Here we could activate or turn off just haptic vibration settings. Here in volume section we got the media, alarm, ringtones and notifications. We could just switch them to the left or to the right side with our finger. Here we could switch the phone ringtone, notification and alarm tones to increase the incoming ringtone with the help of the switcher. In sounds and vibration section we could switch the settings by select one from them. In vibration for calls, the same settings, just select one from them, for example to never vibrate, always, or vibrate first then ring gradually. And in advanced options we could activate or turn off the dial buttons, screen lock and lock sounds, charging sounds and touch sounds with a click on each of the switcher. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe.